Hi, today I'm going to explain regarding sour cream. In our portfolio there are two variants, 10% as well as 24%. So my aim today is focusing on 24%. This is a brand name is Frischli from Germany. It contains 24% and it doesn't have any gelatin. So it contains agar-agar. So those who are very conscious about vegetarian, they will not eat beef kind of thing. Like some sour cream, it contains beef gelatin. So in this there is no beef gelatin. So it is clear. So if the application is that you can use for the dressing, you can use for the salads, you can use for different sauces, or you can use instead of mayonnaise you can use as a healthy options. So, and it is good for your gut. Application with this you can make a cake by adding some ingredients with cream cheese and with the sour cream you can add, and then you can use for the cooking application as well. Compared to other cream, it is bit costly, so I don't know how it is feasible for you, but it is if you are looking for your health, it is a better option. So the difference between 10% and 24%, it has more fat content, so that the water content is, compared to the other one, it is less in this. So that are the different usage and applications for this, and it is from Germany. If you want more details regarding this, the blog is published in our website. You can look into it, and if you want more details regarding this for any other things, you can get in touch with us. Thank you very much.